Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is my weekly update for Ethereum. Now I know I haven't made a video for Ethereum, it's been a long time, but I just want to show you something. This support and resistance, I made this about 3 months ago, and because we had the two touches over here, so and at the top, and you can see a rising wedge is being created. So if you can focus on this support level. So this was already drawn a couple of months back, and you can see exactly Ethereum has came here and held support, and it has bounced here. So good luck to everyone who are following me and who took this trade. So nice. But now let's continue on the next. What is Ethereum exactly doing? So just watch this video till the end because I think it's gonna maybe get you some new information. But let's see. Okay, so you can see Ethereum's pattern. It goes up, goes down, goes up, comes down. Now, obviously, this is the next move up, right? But let's see if it can do that. But before that, it has a lot of things that you have to be careful with. Okay, let's go here. Now, if you look at this run of Ethereum, and if you are a long-term holder, so you would find this video extremely beneficial. Okay, and you measure this move. You can see what Ethereum did was we are measuring this move over here. So it fell all the way down and it had a fall of approximately 94%. Okay, now you can see this fall went up, came down, okay, and then went up. So you could simply create a you could create it right over here actually. Okay, this is the resistance for Ethereum. Just change this to yellow. Okay, now it fell to the 0.5. You have to keep this in mind. It fell, broke the 0.618 level, fell to the 0.5 level. This is extremely, whenever any chart does that, this is extremely bullish for that pattern. Okay, so it fell down to its support, which is the 0.5. So it's a 50% retracement that it did. And you could also see this, it has a dead cat bounce. Okay, dead cat bounce went up. You could also see what it did, it made a W pattern. This is a bullish pattern. Now it made this W pattern, and this is the previous one. I'm going to come back to this one, whatever is going on, but you have to understand what happened in the past because history tend to repeat itself. So, okay, so now if you go to the RSI, you can see clearly in the RSI it fell on the 0.5 level twice, and you can see this beautiful bullish divergence that took place. In the stochastic, you could also see not the whole divergence that took place right over here. Okay, it took a made a bullish divergence. So this was the indication a breakout is coming, and the bottom has been reached. So it's all about finding the right bottom. I gave you this bottom over here, so whoever was following me, they already know this was the bottom is going to come and hit. Now, let's just take off the indicators and show you something. You can see it came all the way down to the 0.5. Now, if you take this off, okay, and look at this dead cat bounce it did. Okay, measure this move. It went all the way back up, okay, and hit the 0.5 again. So you can see it came down, broke the 0.618 and hit the 0.5 level and came all the way back down, and then came and broke the resistance. We had a fake out over here, came back. If you thought this was basically the end, then you should have gone and looked at the bullish divergence it was creating. Okay, so a lot of people were accumulating in these zones right over here as well. So you already know, because obviously if you were here, you probably thought that it's going down. Okay, so you always go to your RSI and take a look over there, and then obviously then we know what happened. Same way, now you already know what's going on here. Okay, same way if you look at this pattern. And let's zoom in now. Okay, it has dropped about 82%, which is a good drop after a big run. Okay, so, and you measure this move now. This is the bottom, this is the highest it got. You can see it didn't even go touch the 0.5 level yet because this was the support. And then we have this previous high coming in as a support, which is a really good bullish sign from Ethereum. Okay, now even if it comes and hits the 0.5, or if it doesn't, it's in both scenarios I think I'm good. The reason that I say that is because it's trying to get to the 0.786 level at 2000. Let me show you why. Right over here. This is where it's trying to get to. Okay, a little bit below actually, but yeah, around there. Okay, so this 0.786 Fibonacci level. The reason it's trying to do that, okay, same way I showed you in the previous run. If you take this off, okay, and you measure this move now from the top to the bottom, you can see that, let's take this off. It came down, held at the 0.618 level when we measured this move, and now it has gone up and hit the 0.618 level at 1687. It went a little bit above, but it came back down. Now, if this month, okay, it closes maybe a little bit above this price level, this Fibonacci level, you're going to see another move up, and it's going to probably go and hit the 0.5 level. Okay, now, if you measure this move again, right over here, you can clearly see the 0.618 level and the 0.5 Fibonacci level. When we measure both the moves, they both and come and align at the same place. Okay, so, and this is a bullish candle that it's producing. If it achieves to do that this month, which we have 2 days left and 5 hours, I think Bitcoin and everything, especially Ethereum, looks pretty bullish. Okay, it's gonna start moving towards the upside. Now, even if it starts coming down, even if it starts coming down, you can go to your weekly. Okay, bring your RSI. You can see what's going on here. Okay, you can either wait for a bullish divergence to take place if we have a drop here. Okay, if we have a drop here and the RSI goes below this point, I mean, sorry, if the price goes below this low and then we have a bullish divergence take place over here, then that's your indication. It's going to take time, but that's going to be your best bet to know where the bottom is, because here it created multiple scenarios to do that. Okay, came down, went up, made a W bottom, bullish divergence took place in the stochastic and the RSI. So you want to look for the same patterns over here as well whenever it creates that. But it hasn't broken this support level that's been going around for 11 years. That is a very good sign from Ethereum. And bring your resistance levels. Okay, that was the resistance. Okay, it had a couple of resistance. This was the first one, came out. Okay, this was the second one. Okay, it came out. So you can see a bull flag that took place, or falling wedge, came out, went up, support, boom, upside. Okay, same way over here. Bring this right over here and place it. Now, if you measure this, you will know what's going on. Right over here. Okay, you can see now if it starts doing this, like it goes here, maybe do something like this, or create a ascending triangle and then starts moving up, this is the resistance it needs to break. Okay, so once it breaks this, that is another indication we are going to have a good move towards the upside, because what Ethereum is planning on doing, if we get this good bull market or the next run towards the upside, I'll quickly show you what it's trying to do. It's trying to play in this pattern. Sorry. One, two, break this, go towards the upside like that, okay? And the target can be hit towards 8,500 because let's quickly see how it can do that. I haven't done it yet, so let's do it together, okay? If it can achieve that target. So if we measure this move now, okay, you can see it went and hit the, let's take this off, 1.272 level, okay? Now if we measure this move, 1.272 level is sitting at the 14,000. So most probably it can go and achieve to hit its all-time high again. Okay, because the Fibonacci level is of 1.2. Below it, it's the 1 level. So all-time high, and it could probably create like a bullish pattern. If you break this, probably go up like that, come down like that, and then create this ascending triangle formation. Okay, so anything is possible, but the first thing you should look forward to is crack this resistance line. Once it does that, then you know it's already coming to its all-time high. Okay, and then probably creating a bullish pattern and going upwards. But it is creating this big uh, big bubble for itself. Okay, if it breaks the resistance, goes towards the upside, then it's a new story. But at the moment, this is the bigger picture. And then the smaller picture is you have to make sure there's a bullish diversion that takes place, breaks the resistance. Once it breaks it, obviously, then it's going to go and hit the all-time high. Okay, so this is it for Ethereum. If you like this analysis, give me a like, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.